If you are someone who looking for a premium automatic exit solution with 180-degree opening with underground motor, then this is the solution this for you. Unlike conventional roller arm type swing gate motors, our underground motor is discreetly installed beneath the gate, preserving the aesthetic appeal of your entrance. Traditional roller and arm type motors can be bulky and visually intrusive, often distracting from the elegance of your gate design. The underground motor, however, remains completely hidden, allowing your gate to take the center stage. Experience superior performance with whisper quiet operation. The underground motor ensures smooth and efficient movement every time. Designed to withstand the element, the underground motor is protected from harsh weather, ensuring long-term reliability and durability. Enhanced security features such as auto-locking mechanism and integrated sensor provide an added layer of security for your home. Convenience is at your fingertip. Operate your gate effortlessly with remote control or smartphone integration. And upgrade to the underground swing gate motor today for a blend of elegance, performance and security. Embrace the innovation and redefine your entrance. So follow us, learn more about entrance automation. Comment UGM and we will DM you the details about underground motors.
Simplify your life. LMT Automations.